YouTube!
Back the fuck up!
Hey YouTube! Hey YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a fridge restock. Well, I need to find an intro. Aki, why am I sweating to start a video? Why? I did a video like this a while ago and it's my best performing video. See, understand? I don't understand. YouTube algorithm, I'll never understand, because why is the fridge restock the best performing video? Yani video yenye haitaji like efforts, because it's just going to the supermarket, coming back, showing you what I got, put it in the fridge, post. No, edit. Why nimesahau kuedit? Edit and then post. Like, but a video that I do for like a week, like what I eat for a week. What? You know, I perform venye hiyo ingine ili perform. I don't understand. Let's move. Let's not think too much about YouTube algorithm. That's out of my hands. Okay? All I do is post and you guys watch. Thank you. Let me dress up. I have pajamas on, as you can see. Nataka kuvaa and then trend them. Let's go. This is my outfit that I'll be wearing. The grays don't go, but it's fine. It's fine. Leave me alone. I'll be carrying this bag. This is a Naivas bag, but nenda Carrefour. Apparently, sina bag ya Carrefour. Niko na equipment, but iko na label. Hii naka disrespectful. I won't carry this one. I have every bag except Carrefour. Kona dia Indomie. I'll be carrying this one for the supermarket and a smaller bag for Naivas for the vegetables and stuff. Yes, I'll carry these two bags. For the shoes, I wanted to wear these Crocs, normal Crocs, but sasa look at this trouser. Inafagia chini kabisa, like it's very long, as you can see. Hadi iko na maji already. So what I'm going to do is I'll just wear this because it's the closest to boots. Alafu I just put the trouser up on ndani, like I tuck it in ndo isishike chini, because I'm not ready to wash trouser iko na matope. So this is my outfit plus the shoes. The feet does not go. This is water. Kanaosha vyombo. But the feet does not go. It's fine though. Hadi naenda to supermarket. Hadi sijui mbona navaa like I'm dressing up. If I kwenda na pajamas, I'm just going to the supermarket. Hapa ni aje. Twende though. Let's go. Let's go. Sijui kama nitafilm nikifika huko, aki sijui. Sijui nakwanga na social anxiety. So maybe I'll just come back and show you guys what I got. Back in the house, and just as I said, siku record anything. Okay, nilirecord clip moja kuonyesha tu niko supermarket. But apart from that, I didn't record anything else. Social anxiety is killing me. This is what I have bought, the stuff right here, and now we are going to relax fast because I'm sweating. Kwanza nitoe hii because this thing is hot. This suka sweater thing, this one, I need to remove it. I wear a top and then we can start doing the restock. That's my fridge over there. That's my mini. Oh, before I do the restock, let me show you what is in my fridge before I restock. Up here, kwa freezer, we have sausage. Okay, we have maragwe. There it is. Maragwe imepikwa, imeboiliwa. Right? And we have ice. Okay. And then at the bottom we have a big watermelon. A full one there. And then we have, what is this? Oh guys, kumaliza. I have some chicken. Cooked one. This is cooked chicken. Yeah, that's I don't know where I'm going to take this, because this is taking the whole space of the fridge, because my fridge is just this, like in full. Ni hapa, and this side obviously. So I don't know, man. I might cut it into like small pieces. Kwanza acha nikule piece moja sahi ndo to reduce. Wow. To reduce, yes. Nitakula like a slice. Let me just show you. Let's vlog that. Okay, I don't need any other fruit. I have fruits for 2 weeks. This is for 2 weeks, man. I love watermelon though, so I'm not complaining. I love kwanza cold watermelon. Okay, so this is what I bought from the supermarket. Okay. What do I start with? Maybe the vegetables, cause si mingi. Cause unaona, when I watch fridge restock za watu wengine, they usually restock vegetables kama skuma, cabbage. For me, I don't put skuma in my fridge. Nitaenda tu kwa mama skuma anikatia hiyo siku. Kama nakula skuma ya 30, nimwambie nikatia 30. You get? Yeah, I don't cut nini for myself. The only vegetables I got, dania, carrots. I mixed them. Najua nilisema nitaweka kwa paper different, but so 2 carrots, 2 nyanyas. Kwanza venye nyanya sahi nyanya moja ni 15. Oh my lord. Garlic. Wait, is this garlic or ginger? Which one is which? And we have this one. Garlic, ginger, I think. Yeah. Fruits, I got 3 oranges, because tuko msimu ya orange. Siwezi kosa kununua. Also the big watermelon I have in my fridge, as you guys have seen. So that's literally it for the vegetable. No, I have, let me show you. I have these ones. I have a lot of viazis. Viazi hapa juu, viazi chini, imejaa. And then we have 2 avocados over here and some vitungu right there. Yeah. Vegetables kidogo sana. I think that's good, that's enough. Because vitu kama cabbage siwezi nunua. Tena tu nikatiwe na mama mboga, okay? We have Minute Maid apple, Minute Maid tropical. These 2. We have yogurt, strawberry. It's not small, but it's also not big. Tomato sauce. Nimenunua yenye iko na shida. Mbona ifungi? Oh. Okay. Tomato sauce. You guys know I love Dairy Fresh. Dairy Fresh sponsor me at this point. Like, sponsor me. Wait, is this Dairy Fresh? Brookside. Yes. This time I didn't get a value pack. First I got this. I got this. You guys know I'm a Dairy Fresh aholic, because I need to calm down. I need to calm down on the Dairy Fresh. So that's, I got banana, bubble gum, and 2 vanillas. So that's my favorite flavor. I got chicken brawn for like breakfast. I got ice cream, which is vanilla and chocolate. It came 2. So obviously when I saw this, I was like, that one, I want that one. And that's it. The receipt. Can throw this away. Yeah. So let's start packing everything. I hope they will fit, because I have this big watermelon in my fridge. Oh, Naimaji from the ice cream. I also have sausage in the fridge. I also have maragwe in the fridge. So let's start organizing everything. At least my fridge will have some life. Ilikuwa very dead. Okay, so I want to start washing the vegetables, but I don't think naeza osha hii, because itarot haraka. Itaanza kuwa black. So no. Pia hii sijui kama nafaa kuosha carrots. I don't know. Yenye nitaosha ni hii, maybe like the tomatoes and this oranges. Is this supposed to be washed or what? Let me check. Okay. ChatGPT imeniambia that it's better to just store it as it is and then you're going to wash when you're going to cook. So, nitaistore hivi. I'll just remove hizi that za juu. I won't wash it because your moisture for the watermelon. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe what I was thinking is I take containers and I cut small pieces into the containers. But bado naona itakuwa mingi. It will still be haitaisha. Whoosh! I've done this and I think this is way smaller now, so inaweza fit for fridge. I'm just going to close this with this. We clean the fridge first before anything. I need to take this out. Wait, let me put them up. So this is my mini fridge restock. I didn't restock much, but fridge yangu inaweza handle tu hizo. So we work harder, we get a bigger fridge. Here is my viazi. Viazi inaendanga kwa fridge? I don't know. But hii yote haiwezi tosha hapo. As you can see, the watermelon took all the space. So that was my mini student edition fridge restock. Okay. Yeah, but at least my fridge has life. Like I have food to eat. You need food kweli? No, those are snacks. Food iko hapa. Kina mchele na kina unga iko hapa juu. Right there. But kwa fridge is just snacks. But I have snacks to eat. Yes. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to support your girlie as always, and have a great week and life and day. Goodbye.